A few times in the previous videos, we ran into the idea of comments now being a field. Let's dig a little deeper into that. If we go in Drupal 7 to Content Types, and we go to Edit under Article, there's the comment settings here. To get to these same settings in Drupal 8, we need to go to the content type. So I'll go to Structure, Content Types, and I'm going to go to Manage Fields under Article. And here, there's a comments field, and I'll click Edit. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll see all of the same options that are over here in the comment settings. The default comment settings have a little bit more help text here, which is useful since the difference between closed and hidden is a little subtle. There's been a little rearranging of the fields down here, but the rest is identical. So the big difference is that comments are now a field. What this means is that we can add multiple fields with comments. So for example, if we go back to the article content type and we go to Manage Fields and we click Add Field, we can select a comments field. We'll call it Comments 2, save and continue. And now we can select what type of comments we want to display. Right now there's only one option. We'll add another one in just a minute. And we click Save Field Settings. And now if we save settings again, we'll have two different sets of comments. Now on its surface, this might not seem terribly useful, but you could have one stream of comments that are public-facing and another that are internal. The comments will be associated with the field instance. So if we go back to our content and we go to our cat role and we scroll down, we have two different comment streams here and here. Let's add a comment here and I'll save it. Now if we look here, we have one comment in our main comments area plus the Add New Comment field. And down below, for our second comment stream, we don't have any comments displaying yet. That's because the comment is associated with the field rather than the piece of content.